Welcome to 2970 Limestone Avenue, located in Whispering Pines on Long Butte, halfway between Redmond and Bend, right by the Tumalo Overpass. This home is perched at the very highest point atop the butte. You're away from the highway, but close enough so you can be to Bend in less than 10 minutes downtown, to the airport in Redmond in less than 10 minutes, to Sisters in about 20 minutes, Tumalo about 5 minutes, the Deschutes River's close, BLM access, all kinds of recreation opportunities are very nearby, and the views from this home are second to none. Panoramic all the way around. It's a single-story home with only a bonus room upstairs. It has a detached two-car garage with two separate doors so you can easily get two in, with a shed off the back for storing wood or bikes, outdoor equipment. There's also an RV spot over here that has full hookups other than sewer. It has water and an RV power hookup. The home is thermostatically controlled with a heat pump. It also has a wood stove and a monitor stove oil heater. So depending on the situation, if there's a power outage, if there's any kind of problem where you can't use the heat pump, you have a couple backup options. Here's that RV space. You can see the power that's there beside it. The water box over beside the Tahoe. Now inside the front door in the great room area with the vaulted ceilings, you can see that there's a monitor stove oil heater, brand new hardwood floors in this space. The French doors lead out to a large back deck, and then there's the bonus family room also below. These caps on this divider here and on the breakfast bar are both natural juniper that are beautifully finished. Then there's solid granite counters, stainless appliances, that tile backsplash and range hood. The views through these windows are absolutely breathtaking of the Cascade Peaks. You have this breakfast bar here at normal counter height and a big place for baking. Nice flat surfaces like that are always awesome for baking. And these drawers have pull-outs, really increases the utility. And there's a pantry right there, and the utility room beyond that. Just an awesome kitchen with good functionality, hardwood floors. And the family room space attached with brand new carpets. All the carpeting throughout is brand new. Most of the paint has been redone. There's also a really great bar over here, and access to the understairs storage. The views through those windows framing the TV are breathtaking too. I mean, just as beautiful as any space in the house. There's another window above. That transom window has really the best view from the second floor. That certified wood fireplace with rocks around. And that leads up to the second floor. Now in the second floor bonus area, it's set now as an office, and there's another separate second area that could be another workout area or a craft area, hobby area of sorts. The view up here is really great. And there's another deck. Private second story deck up here. And from in the bonus room, you have that beautiful view through the transom window. Mount Jefferson, Three Finger Jack, Black Butte, Olali Butte, all completely unobstructed. There's also a closet up here, so if somebody ever needed another bedroom, it'd be pretty easy to enclose this and make it into a smaller upstairs bedroom. And from here in the office, your view past the junipers is one of the Three Sisters and Broken Top. It's also completely unobstructed. And also of Jefferson. Moving back to the bedrooms, you can see the smart thermostat here on the right. And again, the pantry and the utility room with folding table. It's a really cool folding table. Folds up and down so that while you're doing laundry, you've got the space, and when you don't need it, you put it out of the way. Guest bedrooms all fit king-size beds very well. This is a king-size bed, and you can see it has room for furniture and a big desk, even with the king-size bed. So these guest bedrooms are all very spacious. New doors were installed when this owner bought a year and a half ago. Both bathrooms also have in-floor radiant heat. It's the electric kind, so there's no extra water plumbed. See, that large bed fits in here really well too. You can see the in-floor heat thermostat, and that is tile that looks like barn wood, really durable. New vanity, nice obscured windows, shower tub combination. It's a good sized space. And into the master with a king-size bed, 2 end tables. Even with the larger furniture, you can see it's all fits really comfortably. It's a vaulted ceiling in here with a ceiling fan and a nice view to the southeast. Into the master bathroom with jetted soaker tub, dual closets, obscured glass on the bottom and clear on top so you can see the mountain views. There's a beautiful tiled shower also, in really great condition. You can see the glass, no spots, perfectly kept. Has the fiberglass bottom so that you don't have to worry about leaking. And it has the water closet separately enclosed. Those same beautiful granite countertops. You can see the thermostat for the Radiant in-floor heating as well. Just an awesome layout, perched atop the highest butte between Bend and Redmond, allowing panoramic views of the Cascades, Ochoco's, Powell Butte, and all of the mountains that surround the Central Oregon region. Now standing on the back deck, looking right at Jefferson, and then here's Mount Washington too, right through the trees. So we have Mount Washington there. You can see Three-Fingered Jack right through the trees to the left. And Jefferson. There's that fire pit out there. Back deck's newly stained, has access in through the utility room and through the French doors.